Hey, Musketeers. Hey, Beauregard. Hello, mama and baby chicks. Let's see how many eggs we have so far. It's about 3:30. What are you doing? Okay. Oh wow, we got quite a few. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I need to put more chips in here. But about to lay one. So it is inevitable that if you have chickens, one day you're gonna open your refrigerator and you're gonna see about 12 dozen eggs that you really need to use because your refrigerator is getting kind of full. I got chickens pecking my feet. Anyway, maybe not 12 dozen, but I'm just using my experience. Anyway, so they pile up and you don't really realize it until you wake up one day and realize you don't have any room left in your refrigerator unless you get eggs out. So that's what I've been doing all day today. I think I've used about 6 dozen eggs today, either in making burritos and freezing them for later, making some breakfast casseroles to cut up and put in the freezer, and just getting the eggs out of the refrigerator so we can get stuff, put other stuff in there. So the chickens are also going to benefit from my I guess you could call it baking spree, egg cooking spree today. Not only are they going to get a whole bunch of eggshells that I had my little sister crunch up in a bowl while I was putting stuff in the freezer, but also let me show you what else they're going to get. They're going to get an egg cake. So this is the egg cake. That's about a dozen eggs or so that just there's nothing wrong with them. We could have eaten them, but they just had some blood spots on them, and I know you can eat them and they don't hurt you and it's fine, but as of this moment I didn't have to eat them. So we're not hurting that much for eggs. Like I said, we have 12 dozen in the refrigerator, so I figured the chickens could benefit from their production a little bit here too. So I'm about to give this to them. I'm just gonna set this thing on the ground. I'm not gonna cut it up or throw it to them or anything. I'm gonna do the eggshells first so that maybe they won't all swarm the egg cake at all at once, because I don't want any fights or anything to start. But it'd be interesting. This might happen more often if they like it. Okay, so these are the eggshells that I said Carissa had crunched up. We've got blue and green, white, dark brown, light brown. So we got a good mixture. And whoop, there we go. Here they come. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this to them. The turkeys are wondering where their treat is. So as you can see, they all love to get the eggshells. All the younger chickens are actually over there in the pine straw. They're not coming over here. It's mostly the mature chickens that are already laying that are over here. So, I don't know. Might just be because they need more calcium for egg production. Okay, so they got that excited over the eggshells. Let's see how they feel about this. A lot of them are still busy with the eggshells. But they're eating this pretty good. A lot of them are snagging pieces and then just walking away and eating them somewhere else. Rocky got him a piece. You want some more, buddy? See, these chickens are still messing with the eggshells. So as you can see, most of the egg cake is already gone. They're still eating on it, but once they got down to the white, it doesn't seem like they like the white as much as they do just the yolk part. So I don't know, that might be something to experiment with on later. My chickens got some pretty good treats today. So it appears the chickens like the I knew they liked the eggshells, but it appears they like the egg cake too. So as I'm getting more eggs out of the refrigerator, that might be something to think about, especially as we get down into the winter, with whatever that means here in South Carolina. It was like 45 degrees this morning, I think, and I thought it was gonna be like all nice and cold and chilly all day, you know, because it is November 16th. But no, about 10 or 11 o'clock I came out here, it was hot. Summer had returned. I'm gonna end this off by just saying hello to our special person watching. We're glad you're feeling better, and we hope you come home soon. We can't wait for you to come home and you can see the chickens in person again. So we love you. We'll see you later, and that's all I got right now.